Funny. You are watching Funny Hitches Info. Today I am going to talk about line of fire safety. Line of fire hazards are one of the deadliest hazards found in construction. The term line of fire is very common when talking about the hazards of work tasks. It is important to understand what the line of fire is and how to avoid being it to avoid injuries. What is the line of fire? A simple definition of line of fire is being harm's way. A line of fire situation occurs when a person places their body or body parts between a moving or stationary objects. The three categories of line of fire incidents are caught in or between, stored energy, and struck by. For each category of incidents, I can give a simple example. First one, caught in between. A worker placing his hand too close to a rotating gear and get it pulled into the gear. The other examples include moving gears, moving equipment and fixed object, shifting materials. Second one, stored energy. A pipe releasing hot steam from a wall that is being removed by worker for modification. The other examples includes electrical, pneumatic, hydraulic energies. And the third one, struck by. An object falling from a higher level striking a worker below. Dropped loads, dropped tools, and falling objects are the other examples. Next one, how to avoid these line of fire hazards. To avoid line of fire hazards, follow these basic safety rules. Perform a job safety analysis before beginning work to identify and eliminate all the hazards. Never pull equipment or tools towards your face or body. Use barricades, signs and other warning devices to stay clear of hazards. When working around equipment that is remote controlled or could potentially start up, always lock and tag it out. Follow Lotus system. Pay attention to objects and personnel above drop zone should always be guarded and be cleared. Be aware of weather conditions that can put you in the line of fire. Winds may put you in the line of fire if the materials are not secured properly. When working around mobile equipment, make sure the operator knows you are there. Never use equipment with missing guards. Always wear the proper PPE. This is about the line of fire hazards and control measures.